Then my already prepared sew, size 37. Yeah, you can see I've already taken my measurement from the first leg, the starting point and the ending point for this. The same things here. That is for this and this other side. Then for this is for this short belt here. Here I'll be making use of one black and one ash twine. So you make your knot and make 24 chains. Remember, we are working on size 37. 24 chains. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you make 24 chains. Yeah, after working your 24 chains, you fix here. You slip knit. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Then turn. So once you turn, you jump the first and the second stitch. Then crochet on the 24 chains you made. Single crochet all through. Yeah, at the end of first row, you single crochet on first and second stitch of the sew. On the next stitch, single crochet. Then turn. So once you turn, you're going to jump just one stitch. Leave one stitch, single crochet on the next stitch. So single crochet on 2 stitches now. 1, next stitch, single crochet, 2. Then on the 3rd stitch, we are going to make this bow. You can see this knot. So we start yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Don't double crochet. There's the second one, 2. Then another one, 3. Another one, 4. You can see it. Then you single crochet and see. Then single crochet on 3 stitches. 1, next stitch, 2, next stitch, 3. Then on the next stitch, you do the same. You can see it. One, 2, 3, and 4. So you yarn over, pull through, then single crochet on the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then on the next stitch you do the same. You can see. So continue until you work second row. This is the second row. So at the end of second row, you single crochet on first and second stitch, turn, jump just 1 stitch, make 3 rows of single crochet. Then after this second row, you make 3 rows of single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. After the bubbles on the second row, I worked more 3 rows, making it 5 rows. So we start the 6th row. Then on the 6th row, which is this, so you crochet on 4 stitches. After crocheting on 4 stitches, then you make your bubbles. The same thing we did here. 1 bubble, crochet on 3 stitches, then another bubble, crochet on 3 stitches, then continue. At the end you will also have 4 stitches at the end, as in like you started here with 4 stitches, we also have 4 stitches at the end. Then at the end of 6th row, you work more 3 stitches like I did here, more 3 stitches, then you start the 3rd bubble. Then on the 3rd bubble, this will be on the 10th row, as in the 3rd bubble will be on the 10th row. So we will single crochet on 6 stitches. Remember, first line bubble 2 stitches, second line bubble 4 stitches, third line bubble 6 stitches, then fourth line bubble 8 stitches, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then at the end you make 2 rows, but these ones you make 3 rows before the bubble. So at the end of last bubble you make just 2 rows of single crochet to end. Yeah, you can see it. At the end you should have 16 rows and 40 stitches. 40 stitches, 16 rows. Then the next thing now is to make the side belt. Now you make your knot, then work 5 chains. Work 5 chains. Then after working your 5 chain, you single crochet down, jump the first stitch, single crochet on the next stitch. At the end you single crochet on first and second row of the stitch of the sew, then you turn. Then second row you're going to jump the 2 stitches, then crochet on the next, single crochet. Then on the next stitch you make your bubble. The same way we did other ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you yarn over. That's it. Then on the next stitch, slip stitch. You slip knit on the next stitch. So you leave 1 stitch, then you turn. So once you turn, you jump the first stitch, as in you jump the slip knit, single crochet on the next. Next stitch, single crochet. Then you single crochet on first and second stitch of the sew and turn. So So we turn, jump the 2 stitches, single crochet, then on the next stitch, single crochet, then you single crochet on the slip knit you made on the second stitch, second row, then single crochet on the last stitch, then you make 1 chain and turn. So you single crochet down, you single crochet on first and second stitch of the sole and turn, jump the 2 stitches, then single crochet on next. This is the 6th row, and second stitch, single crochet, then on the 3rd stitch you slip knit. So what you are trying to do is to make it, give it this shape. This, you can see this shape. This one is larger, this one up here is tiny. So we're trying to reduce the upper part of this belt. Then you turn, jump the slip knit, single crochet on the next, single crochet down, then after that you make 2 rows of single crochet, then on the 8th stitch, 8 rows, you make your bubble, then finish up with 2 rows, making it 10 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So the next thing now is to make this round belt. You can see it. So you start, so you count out 11 stitches from here, start on the 12th stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, then on the 12th stitch, which is this. So here we are going to make 18 chains. So you work 18 chains. After working 18 chains, you single crochet on 7 stitches here, work 37 stitch at the back belt, 37 stitch, then single crochet on 7 stitches here, work another 18 stitches, count out 11 stitch here, then you single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. So you single crochet on first and second stitch here, then turn. So jump the 2 stitches, then single crochet on these chains we made, single crochet round till here. Yeah, you can see it. This is the first row. Then on the second row, after crocheting on first and second stitch here, jump the 2 stitches, then single crochet on 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3. Then on the 4th stitch you make your bubble. After making your bubble, you single crochet on 3 stitches, on the 4th one make your bubble, single crochet on 3 stitches, 4th one make your bubble. So continue with that until crochet to this point. Then after crocheting at the last stitch here, you single crochet on first and second stitch here, turn, jump the 2 stitches, make 3 rows of single crochet. After making 3 rows of single crochet, then on this, which is on the 6th row, you make another bubble, the same thing you did on the first stitch, then finish up with 2 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end you should have 8 rows at the end. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please, if you love this video, subscribe below this video for more tutorials on how to crochet. Thank you.